Okay, maybe you can grab some of your own stuffies and you can help set up a teddy bear's picnic. I brought some plates. And some more bears.
Today, you're sure of a big surprise. If you go down to the woods today, you better go in disguise.
All right, where's my food? Let's get that.
There was will gather there for certain, because today's the day the teddy bears have their
So you can cut out pictures of food.
Every teddy bear
A
who's been
sandwich
good is sure
for
of a treat
Panda.
today. There's lots of marvelous things to eat.
How about
and games to play. Beneath the trees where nobody sees,
a banana for Big
as
Teddy?
long as they please, 'cause that's the way the teddy bears have their picnic.
Some cake? Who would like some cake? Okay, over here. Blue Panda would like some cake. I've got some watermelon for Panda. Is that good? So you can play with your friends. Now, maybe a little more yogurt. You can have them talk to each other.
At 6 o'clock, their mummies and daddies will take them home to bed, because they're tired little teddy bears.
Now, the other thing that teddy bears like to do is they like to play
If
games.
you go down to the woods today, you better not go alone. It's lovely down in the woods today, but safer to stay at home. For every bear that ever there was will gather there for certain, because today is the day the teddy bears have their picnic.
Oh, a little bit of a snack for Panda.
The little teddy bears are having a lovely time.
Oh,
today.
okay, 1 second. They all want to share a piece of pizza. Good idea.
And see them picnic on their holiday. See them gaily gather.
Now they want to play a little hide and seek. All right, Panda. Can you find Blue Bear?
At 6 o'clock, their mummies and daddies will take them home.
I don't know.
Because they're tired
Ah!
little teddy.
He's hiding behind Big Teddy. They all get a little bit tired. Good job, everybody.